Urban Spa Fog-Free Mirror for Shower and Bath. Designed with a heavy-duty suction cup to hold it firmly in place, this little sucker is perfect for anywhere it gets steamy. P.S. Frequent cleaning may affect the anti-fog coating, so clean when necessary with water only and a soft cloth. The Urban Spa collection strives to provide high-quality nail care, skin care, and hair care products utilizing sustainable practices. Urban Spa has a wide variety of spa-quality exfoliating and shower accessories available to give you fresh and smooth skin with all natural products. Pair Urban Spa's wonderful nail and skin products with Prix de Provence's delicately scented bath soaps, lotions, bubble bath, bath gels, and more for the ultimate experience. KOVOT Spa Pillow. Turn your bath into a. You will feel like you're getting spa treatment when you use this KOVOT Spa Pillow at home. The bathtub cushion pillow's two-panel design provides support and comfort your head, neck, and shoulders. Your pillow will remain firmly in place when you attach it with the 7 affixed suction cups. Maintenance is easy because the spa pillow is mildew, odor, and chemical resistant. Earth and Sea Spa Essentials Bath Set Soy Wax Candle. This bath gift set is a perfect Christmas gift, Mother's Day gift, or for an anniversary, a birthday, or any other special day. Relax and restore with this set. Includes a candle, soap with dish, bath salts, pumice stone, net sponge, massage brush, bath cloth, and a special gift box. Click Add to Cart now. Urban Spa Natural Bamboo and Jute Bath Mitt. Tender on one side and slightly rough on the other, the bamboo and jute bath mitt will cleanse and exfoliate, leaving you with perfectly polished skin. Hot Rose Body Bath Shower Back Brush, Spa Scrub, Grip. I was looking for a replacement for a highly rated all-natural brush which was losing its bristles after just a few months. It gave a good scrub, but was really too rough for sensitive skin. When I opened up this brush's package, I thought they'd sent the wrong brush. The head looked like a solid pad, not bristles. But it is bristles, so fine and densely packed they are like extremely high-end velvet. When I tried this brush in the bath, it was so soft, I doubted it could do much scrubbing, but it does far better than the rougher version. Has hundreds if not thousands of bristles scrubbing, and your skin feels like it is just a piece of velvet or satin. Soft enough for my face, and scrubs the dead skin off the rest of my body. The back of the brush has a group of small raised bumps for more serious exfoliating. I haven't managed to remove the handle from the brush yet, and so it hangs from the shower to dry.